The court proceedings dealt with sections in the papers lodged by Prince Mbonisi, the half-brother of the late King kaZwelithini. AmaZulu King Misuzulu kaZwelithini's legal team brought a strikeout order on various sections of the papers to be reviewed, calling it defamatory, false, and not substantially backed up with evidence or supporting documentation. Judge Olsen ordered that the sections be removed.
We brought a strikeout application, which is an interlocutory application. So today we dealt with the striking out application first. Initially, that's what we've been dealt with this morning in court, and it's been a massive victory for us. So there's a big part of the application that's been striked out. The judgment that's been given by the judge, and I would basically say that there's not much left of the application of Prince Mbonisi and the applicants. So it's a huge victory for us today. I'm really happy regarding the outcome, and just happy to see that such frivolous and vexatious allegations, that's made against King Misuzulu is not allowed, because it is defamatory of nature.
Prince Mbonisi and 5 other royal family members want the court to stop the monarch from exercising his powers with regard to the Ingonyama Trust. They also want to prevent the Ingonyama Trust and the province from paying the king's legal costs in the challenge over his recognition as monarch. They also want to interdict King Misuzulu from convening meetings with or giving directives to Amakosi, and to stop him from making appointments to royal structures.
Both the trust and the board are regarded as state organs. When you deal with state organs, there are certain procedures and protocols that need to be followed when it comes to expenses that are incurred by the state organs. Now, in this case, it is the state organs that are offering to pay personal expenses in respect of a dispute, which we are now aware that it is being challenged, and there's a favorable judgment which is currently pending in the Supreme Court of Appeal. So for that reason, we are saying the case is very strong and the law is very clear in respect of when the state organ can spend the public money or public funds for purposes of benefiting an individual, not merely because he's a king or a member of an executive.
The application to interdict the monarch was lodged last year in November, while a court challenge to President Cyril Ramaphosa's recognition of King Misuzulu as monarch was still before the High Court in Pretoria. The court later set aside the president's decision and ordered an investigation into alleged irregularities. The presidency is appealing this. Meanwhile, the AmaZulu Prime Minister says that the king will continue to perform his duties and will not be derailed.
Today is a major blow for Prince Mbonisi and all those who are opposed to King Misuzulu, because the court rightfully agreed with the king's legal representatives that all the unsubstantiated allegations against the king are unfounded, and they were struck out as we had the order today. Is a major victory for the position of the king, and going forward it is clear now that the king enjoys the support of his people, enjoys the support of the legal position in which he is in, and nothing can restrain him from exercising his duty as the king of the Zulu nation and chairman of Ingonyama Trust Board.
The matter has been postponed for argument to the 16th and 17th of May. For SABC News, I'm Jade Paulser in Pietermaritzburg.